Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by locking in a consistent cycle and the exact first placement. Place your Xbow at the recommended 3, 5 to 4 tiles from the river immediately. This gives predictable tower targeting and bait windows. At once, cycle cheap cards, skeletons and ice spirit to buy time and reset opponent counters. Make sure to deploy Tesla in the center of your side to protect from direct tank pushes. As you play these opening hands, focus on card counting and tracking their key counters so you can plan the next salvo. Once you establish initial cycles, transition into controlled pressure. You want short, repeatable Xbow salvos rather than overcommitment. Place Xbow when you estimate a 1 to 4 elixir edge, which maximizes staying power while allowing a Tesla or Archer's fallback. When opponents use high-cost counters badly, punish them immediately. Combine Fireball and Log to clear support troops, then reapply Xbow. Make sure to vary timings and positions so they can't predict your cycle. This forces mistakes. You finish by committing to high-value final plays. Lock an Xbow while they lack a direct building answer, then follow with Fireball to remove supporting units or finish the tower. Rotate defensively between Skeletons, Ice Spirit, and Tesla so you always have a response ready without overcommitting. If things go wrong, diagnose the single biggest momentum swing. Was it a missed Tesla, poor elixir management, or a hard counter? And adapt your cycle or card choices next match to plug that hole.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.